Huawei has introduced FreeBuds 6 earphones with various new features and slightly upgraded design. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Huawei FreeBuds 6 comes in a revamped water drop look. The audio wearable has three beautiful colors: Aurora Purple, Starry Black and Sky White. The Chinese tech giant has significantly improved the crafting process for its new earbuds. It has reduced the ear handle's volume by 20%, while the overall weight by 9%. The FreeBuds 6 design is based on more than 10,000 ear data. A single earphone weighs 4.9 grams, while the charging case has 40.3 grams weight. It has a double tap gesture to play, pause, switching the song, answer and hang calls. Triple tap gesture lets jump to the previous or next song. Slide your finger on the buds can adjust the volume. Press and hold to reject calls or control noise. Huawei says that FreeBuds 6 is the industry's first semi-open TWM earbuds with an impressive combination. Super sensing acoustic dual units, bass driving 40 Hz plus stable high frequency sounds of 48 kHz. User will experience clarity, detail in the audio. Huawei FreeBuds 6 is available at price of $138 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.